This is a past paper question from the September 2021 practice paper, so it wasn't a proper paper. This is a CCEA practice paper for A2 Applied Maths, and we're doing a statistics question, so this is number 6. Let's take a wee look then. So 20 teams play in a Premier Football League. Below shows a scatter graph which represents the goals for and goals against for each of the teams in the season. The product moment correlation coefficient R is found at a value of minus 0.572. Why would you expect the product moment correlation coefficient to be negative? Well, it's goals for goals against, and hopefully it just makes sense that, you know, if a team's quite good, they're going to score quite a lot of goals for and let in fewer against. So I'm expecting that the goals for, if it's really, really high, then the goals against is going to be a bit lower. It's not always the case, and that's why there's kind of ones that kind of sit outside that, but that's generally a reason. And so if a team is good, you would expect lots of goals for and fewer goals against, and then vice versa. So if it's a fairly bad team, then you're expecting quite a lot of goals against, so these kind of, you know, in right up here, and then fewer goals for. Since we have using the tables provided, test this value of R at the 1% level of significance. So let's check and see. So it says here, let's go back to the original question, it says 20 teams. So our value of N then is going to be 20. Our value of R from the previous page is minus 0.572, and then at the 1% level to be significant, then R is going to have to be less than. So it's a sample size of 20, and it's a 1% level, so it's 0.5155. And sorry, that's going to be a negative value there. And so because our value of R then is less than that, as in it's kind of further down than that, then at the 1% level, R then is going to be significant. And that's us.